evaluate this equation, this limit equation algebraically. So first we're gonna open this, and it's going to be x plus 5 times x minus 5, which gives us, if we close it, this over, and then this one we make it smaller. We have to find two numbers that multiplied give you negative 15 and summed give you negative 2. So we're gonna choose x minus 5 and x plus 3. Then, since these two are the same, we can cross them out, and we will be living with x plus 5 over x plus 3. Then we have that our x is equal to 5. So we will plug this 5 in our equation. So we will be living with, since it's x plus 5 over x plus 3, we will be living with 5 plus 5 over 5 plus 3, which will be 10 over 8. So our limit will be 10 over 8 when x equals to 5. This number can be simplified. It will be 5 over 4.
So for the graph, we have the same equation, x squared minus 25 over x squared minus 2x minus 15. So this is the graph we are left with. So this axis will give me my horizontal asymptote. As we know, x represents 1. So 1 over 1, it will give me a horizontal asymptote at y equals 1. And a vertical asymptote at x equals 3. So if you factorize this, we are left with x plus 5, x minus 5 on the top, and x minus 5, x plus 3 on the bottom. So you have to cancel out the x minus 5 on the top and the x minus 5 on the bottom. And you have to equal that x minus 5 to 0. This will give you 5. So when you cancel out something on an equation, it will give you a whole. So here you have a whole at 5, which is undefined.
Okay, so in this equation, we're going to find that derivative by definition. So our problem is f of x equals 3x squared plus 4x minus 1. Our first step will be to plug out the 3. So you do 3x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, close parentheses, and then we have the 4x plus 4x plus h minus 1. And then we close these parentheses and we do minus the equation. Minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 1, and everything over h. Okay, and now the second step is that we're going to multiply. Okay, so we have 3x squared plus 6xh plus plus 3h squared plus 4x, 4 times 6, 4x, plus 4h minus 1. And then, since we have a negative outside of the parentheses, everything will change the sign inside of the parentheses. So we have minus 3x squared minus 4x and plus 1. And remember, everything over h. Okay, then our next step will be to cancel. So we cancel the 3x. We cancel the 4x and the 1. That leaves us with 6xh plus 3h squared plus 4h, everything over h. And then we take out the h from all of the equations. So that leaves us with 6x plus 3h plus 4 over h. Okay, so then we're gonna cancel the h. So our final answer will be limit when h tends to be 0, it's 6x plus 4. And our final answer.